Good morning, good evening, ma'am. So my name is PJ Dranseman, B73. So this is my presentation about your activity in prelim activity 1, exploring the Python. So I'm able to create a program called Mini Assistant, right, and perform 3 features. So this one we have first things first. We have import random. So in this page, allows allows the program to generate a random numbers. So I have 3 features: the diff greeting both, diff simple calculator, and diff age calculator. So I use in diff greeting both, I use name, what is your name, then print hello, then name of the user, then nice to meet you. Then diff simple calculator, then enter the first number, enter the second number, then choose an operations. If the first number is 5, then second number is 6, then whatever choose the operations, or plus or minus or times or divide, then it will get the result, this one. Then the age calculator, then the birth year, then input your birth year, then current year 2025, then age current year minus birth year, then it will print your age, then 10 years old. Then if value error, then please enter a valid year. So in my diff main, so we have here the mini assistant menu, greeting both, simple calculator, age calculator, and exit. So if you choice input, choose an option, and an options 1 to 4, then if choice is equals to 1, then proceed siya sa greeting bot, and else if choice is equals to, then proceed siya sa simple calculator. Then as if choice is equals 3, then proceed siya sa age calculator. Then for the last one is exit. Then if the user chooses the 4, then goodbye, thank you for using the mini assistant. So we are here to run the code. So if we try the one greeting boot, say VJ, so it print the VJ, nice to meet you. Then second is let's say 5, then second number is 6, and we use operations minus, then the result is -1.0 since we use a float, so there's a decimal. Then 3, we choose 3 in mini assistant menu, then enter your birth year, let's say 2004, then you are 21 years old. Then if you choose 4, then exit, then goodbye, thank you. And that's all, ma'am.